Hello guys, what you are seeing right now is a generator. So this one is a 220 volts generator made by Honda, as you are seeing right in the picture. So this generator, we have just used it in less than 6 months. And now we are moving full into solar. So we are now powering our studio with solar, and we are selling this generator. So anyone who is interested in buying this second-hand generator that is still in good condition, please make sure you contact us. And our number is right now on the screen. That's 0773 752 462. Remember, we only have one generator in stock because we have been using it for our studio and we are just selling. So it's being sold on a effect of first come first serve, meaning that the person who is going to come to buy it is the one who is going to take it.